Hello, folks, friends, and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important. This is general project entry question. Sometimes it is direct technical entry question also. Okay, on your work experience. So let's see this. So did you work in implementation? Then what is your role in the last project in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? How you can able to answer this? So if someone asked you, suppose your resume is holding support projects or you are actually having the support experience, this answer is not fits for you. Okay, this is for only guys who is having implementation experience. So I will tell you few tips actually. So for example, so implementation generally it starts from kickoff to high level design document preparation, and after that blueprint preparation. Then okay, so identifying your gaps and writing functional specification, okay, and working with developers and all these things will be there. So I will tell you what is the main reason. Suppose if you really work, that is fine, but your resume is holding implementation project, you are not able to recollect it, or else if you really worked but you are not able to recollect it, I'm telling you. So better always skip high level process, blueprint preparation, and as well as high level document preparation and kickoff meeting. You are not part. Say that you joined just middle of the project, you started from realization, okay, from where you are started after getting the kit, you started working with what I would say. Uh, so your fellow functional counterparts, once you received the KT, and you are in a position to prepare the designing documents and functional specifications based on the requirement gathered by your technical lead, or else you get an opportunity to discuss with customer directly to find the gaps in order to cache or your basic functions, or else idocs or interfaces. You try to discuss in that manner. Okay, so simply you can say that so I just involved in realization phase. My responsibility, I need to gather the requirements from the customer, and I got a formal KT from my senior since I have some experience to handle the well. So I can able to gather the gaps in order to cache or pricing some XYZ. You can able to explain it. So my job is to write functional specification. These many gaps I handled, and for that I have done the dependent configurations, and if the gap is more specific relevant to user exit or BAPI or a certain background job, I need to have a discussion with my technical architect and technical counterpart, okay, to modify the existing standard object. Further, we wrote a functional specification. We'll have active workshops and discussions within our company, and after that, once we finalize this is what we need to go ahead. For that, also functionally, what is the permissible layer. For that, we need to take a email confirmation and functional specification sign off, and after that, our technical team with the help of the functional spec, they will write the technical specs. They'll start working to modify that particular object, XYZ object. You can explain your own objects, and after that, so once we have done the development, we start my responsibility to do the unit testing, and I will release the build to the quality. Okay, if any in a unit testing, if I found something is not up to the mark where my functional specification sounds, then I will have a close discussion with technical counterparts by raising some defects in ticketing tool, either ServiceNow or any other tool for that matters, or also offline discussion through emails. Once that is done, I'll release the build to quality system through transportation movement, either charm or else directly, okay, through emails with the help of the basis. Then so in a quality, okay, either sometimes quality testing done by in-house team. Suppose if you are in Capgemini is having the contract for testing also. Otherwise, sometimes it will be directly by another company, another counterpart for the client. For that, you will make the all arrangements, including TR movement, master data, and quality system. So they will start testing and they will raise the bugs. That is different story. And system integration testing will be also followed. Okay. And after that, what is the main thing? Once you move to UAT, okay, users will try to do the unit testing. Okay, one more stress test, integration testing, all jobs, everything will be tested UAT once everything is okay. Okay, so then I need to plan if any dependency is there, cut over for the objects where I worked. For example, okay, so transactional data, you worked on free of charge process. For that free of charge process, so for go live, maybe they used another software or Excel or some XYZ. Those documents which are there, due for billing, due for delivery, due for PCI or open sales orders, that need to be uploaded, right? So that you need to take care. In the similar way, certain objects will be there as part of the cutover that you need to explain. And on top of it, okay, so finally go live and a hypercare support. And what is that in PGLS? Before PGLS, you need to perform the user document preparation and the user training. Okay, these are the roles and responsibilities of implementation. Simply, you can say that. So I have started working in realization phase so that I have gathered the gaps. Based on the gaps, I started writing functional specification. I will have an active discussion with my technical folks. Based on that, okay, once they have agreed the solution is feasible, then we will get a sign off from customer. After that, the functional specification will be formally handed to the technical folks, then offline discussions will happen, then solution will be built by technical folks, and the dependent configuration, or sometimes if you don't have technical solution also, we have to write functional specification. For example, if you take pricing, what kind of condition types they're looking, what kind of key combinations and requirements they're looking for, like that, you just have to, how many business processes are there, how many pricing procedures are there, how many dependent business processes are there. All these you have to gather it, either configuration way, configuration plus your object modification at standard level. That's my job. And after that, I need to move all these changes to quality system once I perform the unit testing. Okay, once our internal team or customer is okay, formal way. So after that, the solution actually tested by testing team, quality team. So once they write the defects, it need to be position to address whether those are actual defects. Sometimes uh, you know they are also not in a position to understand the process. So then integration testing will happen, then we'll move the changes again to another pre-production system, or else the same quality system users will start testing. Once they agree, user accept test, user UAT sign up they will give. And that coordination also I need to do it at the time of UAT. After that, finally cut over and go live. These are the prime responsibilities of any project. My project is also no difference. I did the same thing. Okay. Then based on that, he might ask different questions on your profile. Why I'm talking about, you have to talk about, you have to, don't tell that, see, if you really work, you can tell that, high level, uh, you know, design documents preparation and requirement gathering at the time of your blueprint preparation. Otherwise you can able to tell that realization you involved as is and to be. As is and to be, I have already explained in my YouTube, don't ask me again. So this is all about roles and responsibilities. According to that, you try to frame your mind. If I talk my profile, it takes around non-stop, I can talk 20 to 25 minutes on my resume, including support, rollout, and uh, implementation project. This is general discussion, general way of I'm guiding you. Okay. You need not say the same thing. What I'm giving the description, what exactly it is, what are the roles and responsibilities. Based on that, you have to discuss about what you wanted. So in this slide, I just put some roles. Based on that, this is very text kind of resume capturing sentences, but you need not speak in a similar manner, but you have to talk in real terms, how you work and all. Okay. So I think this session is helpful to you. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. If you have any doubts, you let me know. You can comment below of this video in the comments box of this YouTube, so that I can able to answer, because this question is very crucial for your technical round as well as in your project round. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Let's catch up in next session. Until then, signing off. Bye.